This screenshot could be completely fake and you might never notice. Every single day, fake screenshots spread across the internet. Fake messages, fake bank balances, fake conversations, fake news headlines, fake social media posts. And the scary part? Most of them look absolutely real. They're designed to look real. They're meant to trigger emotion. They're created to make you react before you think. And with today's simple editing tools, anyone can modify text, timestamps, profile names, profile pictures, and even entire conversations in seconds. You don't need advanced skills. You don't need professional software. In fact, some apps can generate fake chats with just a few taps. So if you automatically trust every screenshot you see online, you're putting yourself at risk of being misled, manipulated, or even scammed. But here's the good news. Fake screenshots almost always leave clues. Small details, tiny inconsistencies, subtle mistakes. And once you know what to look for, you'll start spotting them instantly. Let's break it down step by step. Check fonts and spacing. First, zoom in closely. Most people just glance at screenshots. That's a mistake. When someone edits text, they often struggle to perfectly match the system font. Look carefully at font size consistency, letter spacing, line height, alignment of text bubbles, margins around the edges. Does one message look slightly bigger? Is the spacing uneven? Does the text sit too high or too low inside a bubble? Even a 1-pixel misalignment can expose manipulation. Our eyes might not consciously notice it at first, but our brain senses when something feels off. Trust that instinct. If it feels strange, investigate further. Inspect small UI elements. Now move beyond the text. Look at the tiny interface details. Battery icon, signal bars, Wi-Fi symbol, conformit, notification icons, status bar spacing. Fake screenshots often distort these small elements. Icons may look stretched, blurry, slightly misaligned, or inconsistent with the device's usual layout. For example, is the battery percentage format correct for that phone model? Does the time match the message timestamps? Is the app layout consistent with the current version? Many people edit the conversation but forget to perfectly match the surrounding interface. And that's where mistakes happen. Look for compression differences. This one is powerful. Zoom into different parts of the image. If one section looks sharper or more pixelated than the rest, it may have been edited separately. Here's why. When someone edits a screenshot, they often paste new text over the original image. That edited area may have a slightly different compression pattern. Look for blurry edges around text, faint rectangular patches, different noise levels, slight color inconsistencies. Edited text often stands out under close inspection. It's subtle, but it's there. Reverse image search. Now let's talk verification. Upload the screenshot to Google Images, Tenet, or other reverse image search tools. You might find the original version, the cropped version, earlier uploads, or the same image used in a different context. Sometimes a new shocking leak is actually a years-old image recycled for attention. Reverse search is one of the fastest ways to check authenticity. It takes less than a minute and can save you from believing misinformation. Ask for context. If someone sends you a suspicious screenshot, don't immediately argue. Instead, calmly ask for more proof. Request a screen recording, scrolling through the conversation, multiple angles, or live verification. Fake screenshots are easy. Live proof is much harder to fake in real time. Scammers rely on urgency and emotional reaction. They want you to respond quickly, not think critically. Slow down the conversation. Ask questions. Genuine information survives scrutiny. Fake information often collapses under it. And here's something important. Even real screenshots can be misleading. They can be cropped, taken out of context, or shown without the full conversation. So don't just verify authenticity, verify context. What happened before? What happened after? Who shared it first? What did they gain from sharing it? Critical thinking is your strongest defense in the digital world. We live in an era where seeing is no longer believing. Technology makes manipulation easy, but awareness makes deception difficult. So the next time you see a shocking screenshot, pause, zoom in, inspect details, search for the original, ask for context. The careful eye can protect you from digital deception. And if you want more smart digital skills to protect yourself online, explore more videos on this channel.